Did you know that more millionaires were created in the last 10 years than in the previous 50 years combined? And here's the crazy part, most of them didn't come from rich families or top universities. They came from the internet. What if I told you that the phone in your hand holds more money-making power than an entire office did 20 years ago? This video will show you how to build real digital wealth from scratch, even if you've never coded, never traded crypto, and never had a fancy degree. Before you earn your first dollar online, there's one thing you need to fix: your mindset. Most people still think like employees. They trade time for money, and they fear risk more than regret. But digital wealth starts with seeing money as a tool, not a trophy. You don't need permission anymore. You don't need to wait for opportunities. You can create them. In this economy, the only real degree that matters is your ability to learn fast. The richest people today are students of change. They learn, unlearn, and relearn more quickly than others. That's why a 19-year-old with a laptop can earn more than a banker with 20 years of experience. The internet changed everything. Once, you needed buildings, inventory, and a team to start a business. Now, all you need is Wi-Fi and a skill. Today, people are building entire empires online, designers creating $10,000 brands from home, video editors earning six figures from Fiverr, crypto investors are multiplying their income through blockchain projects, coaches are teaching thousands through online courses. The future is no longer about working for money, it's about building digital systems that work for you. Let's be real, the education system wasn't built for this world. It was built to create employees, not creators. That's why the most successful digital entrepreneurs today learned outside classrooms. Here's the truth: to build wealth online, you only need three things. 1. A skill people need. This could be branding, design, copywriting, video editing, or coding. Or even financial knowledge, like crypto or trading. 2. A platform to show your value. You don't need a website immediately. Start with social media. Share your process, your results, your thoughts. People pay attention to those who show, not tell. 3. Consistency that outlives motivation. Digital wealth is slow at first, but it compounds. One skill equals one client, one referral, and one business. And guess what? Every millionaire you admire started as a beginner who refused to quit. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: crypto. You've heard the hype, but here's the reality: crypto isn't just about coins, it's about control. For decades, banks decided who could grow their money. Now, the blockchain gives you that power back. Whether it's staking, NFTs, smart contracts, or decentralized finance, crypto allows ordinary people to grow wealth without middlemen. But here's what most people miss: crypto rewards education, not emotion. It's not about gambling on coins. It's about understanding the system before the world catches up. Here's where it all comes together. Wealth online isn't built from one stream, it's multiple rivers flowing into one ocean. Let's say you learn design. You can create brand kits. You can turn that into a course. You can automate it with a website. Then you can invest the profit into crypto. That's digital wealth synergy. One skill fuels another. Your content becomes your marketing. Your audience becomes your income. And over time, your income stops depending on effort. It starts depending on systems. Here's the truth: nobody's coming to save you. But you don't need saving. You just need a strategy. Start with what you have. Learn one skill, build one system, repeat until freedom. This is the decade of digital self-made success. Don't just watch others win online, build your own story. Because 1 year of focus can change your entire life. If you enjoyed or learned from this video, please like and share this video so that YouTube can recommend us to more people. Don't forget to subscribe too.